In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Stripe. Whether you're running an online store or managing subscriptions, setting up taxes correctly is crucial for ensuring compliance and smooth operations. So, let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Stripe account. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's an essential hub for managing all your transactions, and today, we'll specifically focus on setting up tax. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a sidebar filled with various options. Look for the section labeled Tax and give it a click. This area is dedicated to managing all things tax-related, and it's where you'll configure your settings to include sales tax, VAT, or GST, depending on your needs. Once you're in the tax section, the next step is to add a registration. You'll notice an option to add registration. Click on that. This registration process is key because it determines where you're required to collect tax based on the jurisdictions where your business operates. It's important to fill this out carefully to ensure you're collecting the correct type of tax for each region. Here's where you'll need to fill in the details. The form will ask for information about your business, and it's crucial to provide accurate data here. Depending on your business's location and the nature of your sales, you might be required to collect different types of taxes, like sales tax in the United States or VAT in Europe. Stripe will help you manage these calculations, but the initial setup is essential. Once you've completed the registration form, review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Double-checking your entries at this stage can save you a lot of headaches down the line, as incorrect tax settings could lead to compliance issues or unexpected charges. And just like that, you've successfully added tax to your Stripe account. This setup will now automatically calculate and apply the correct tax rates to your transactions, making your life a lot easier. Remember, keeping your tax settings up to date is vital, especially if your business expands to new regions or if tax regulations change. Thanks for following along with me today. By taking these simple steps, you've ensured that your business stays compliant and ready to handle tax requirements efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or consult Stripe's comprehensive support resources for additional guidance. Keep watching for more tutorials that help simplify your business processes and streamline your operations.